Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through one of the best project management software options available for individuals, Lyft OS. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone looking to organize your tasks and projects better, Lyft OS has a lot to offer. We'll explore the various features and functionalities that make Lyft OS a powerful tool for collaboration and organization. The link to Lyft OS is in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by looking at the sidebar. On the left, you'll find the General section, which serves as a shared hub for your entire team. Everything here is accessible to all members, making it a fantastic place for collaboration. To optimize this section, I recommend organizing it by creating dedicated segments for different teams or clients. For instance, you might have a section for your marketing team and another for client A. You can further customize these sections by adding logos and colors to make it visually appealing and easier to navigate. For example, if your marketing team has a green theme, you could use green colors and a logo that reflects your brand. This personalization can help team members quickly identify the areas relevant to them. Next, let's create some spaces. A space is essentially a dedicated area within Lyft OS where you can manage specific projects or teams. You can build a space from scratch or select from a template. To create a space from scratch, click on the appropriate button and name it meaningfully. Consider using names that convey the project or team focus, such as website redesign or client A campaign. This helps everyone easily find and navigate their respective areas later. Once the space is created, you can customize it further by adding logos and color coding for better visibility. You might even consider a color coding system where each team or project has a designated color, making it quick to spot what you need. Now, let's discuss how to organize client information effectively within a space. You can create folders to manage various projects, such as Q1 and Q2. Naming conventions are crucial here. Being clear and descriptive will help maintain organization. To create a folder, click on the Add Folder button and give it a relevant name, like Q1 Marketing Plans or Client A Deliverables. Creating a folder for each quarter can be incredibly useful, and you can easily add applications like to-dos or notes to keep all relevant information in one place. This structure not only keeps your information organized, but also makes it easy for your team to access what they need when they need it. Now let's dive deeper into the applications available in Lyft OS and how they can enhance your project management experience. To-dos app. This is where you can manage tasks effectively. You can click to create a new task, assign due dates, and designate team members responsible for each task. You'll find features like filtering options, activity logs, and the ability to create subtasks. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, you can break it down into subtasks such as design graphics, write copy, and schedule posts. This makes it easy to keep track of what needs to be done and who's responsible for each piece. Notes app. This app allows you to create detailed documents using various formats, including text, tables, and images. Organizing pages within Notes is simple. Just click and drag to reorder them as needed. You might want to create a note for brainstorming ideas and another for documenting meeting minutes. Additionally, you can utilize AI features to generate summaries or insights, making information gathering much easier. Files app here. You can upload multiple files and manage your documents efficiently. Simply drag and drop your files, and you can preview them with a click. This is particularly useful for keeping all your documents organized alongside your other applications, like notes and tasks. One of the standout features of Lyft OS is its flexibility. The split view allows you to work on multiple applications side by side. For example, you can have your to-do list open while viewing client files, which is a great way to manage your workload without constantly switching tabs. Additionally, the syncing feature lets you have the same application across different spaces, allowing for seamless collaboration. If you're using Google Workspace, you can easily integrate it into Lyft OS. Just go to your settings and connect your account. Once connected, you can access your Google files right within Lyft OS, making it easier to manage everything in one place. This integration can save you time and effort, ensuring that you never miss an important file or update. Managing permissions and sharing is crucial for effective collaboration. Each section in Lyft OS has unique settings that control access levels. For instance, if you add a user to a section, they will automatically gain access to all spaces within that section. You can also share specific spaces with team members, which is helpful if you want to restrict access to certain information. For example, if you're working on a sensitive project, you can limit access to just those team members who are directly involved. This ensures that your confidential information stays secure. As we wrap up, let's look at some user experience enhancements that can make your workflow even better. You can toggle between light and dark modes based on your preference. This feature is handy for users who spend long hours working, as it can reduce eye strain. There's also a template library with over 40 templates available to help you get started quickly. Whether you need a project plan, a meeting agenda, or a budget tracker, there's likely a template that fits your needs. If you find yourself using certain apps frequently, you can favorite them for easy access later. Just click the star icon, and you'll see those favorites appear on your homepage. This can streamline your workflow and reduce time spent searching for frequently used tools. In conclusion, Lyft OS offers a flexible and organized way to manage your information and collaborate with your team. It offers an intuitive and visually appealing interface, making it easy for users to navigate through various features and tools without a steep learning curve. The platform promotes teamwork with features like shared spaces, real-time collaboration on documents, and task assignments, facilitating effective communication among team members. I encourage you to visit the Lyft OS website by clicking the link in the description below to explore all the features we covered today. Discover how these functionalities can enhance your productivity and streamline your project management tasks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.